Great Wall Motors GWM has achieved tremendous success since its launch in the market 3 years ago. Recently, GWM unveiled the specifications and pricing for the updated Jolion lineup, which now includes two models. During the brand's product launch event in February, it was announced that the current Jolion will be rebranded as the Jolion City, while the new sportier model, named the Jolion Pro, which translates to Red Rabbit, will join the lineup as the premium variant. Similar to Volkswagen's approach to the Polo and Polo Vivo models, Great Wall Motors GWM has streamlined its Jolion lineup to now consist of three variants. The Jolion City replaces the City, Premium, and Super luxury grades, with the luxury variant transitioning into a limited edition model. In a design update, the Jolion City now features air vents below the headlights similar to the Jolion Pro. Additionally, all models under the GWM brand will now sport a block letter GWM badge on the tailgate instead of the Haval corporate logo as part of a comprehensive restructuring. Dimensionally unchanged from its pre-facelift version, the Jolion City retains its boot space ranging from 337 to 1,133 liters. It's discontinued the sporty S and HEV hybrid variants, opting instead to continue with the turbocharged 1.5-liter petrol engine generating 105 kilowatts and 210 newton meters of torque. The base model, unbranded, uses a 6-speed manual gearbox to drive the front wheels. Upgrading to the Plus and Limited Edition luxury variants, only 120 units, they feature a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Standard features in the base City include a 10.25-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4-speaker sound system, 4 USB ports, electric windows, 17-inch alloy wheels, and black cloth seats. The Jolion Pro stands out with distinct exterior differences and varied dimensions compared to the City. It offers a reduced boot space ranging from 291 to 952 liters for petrol versions and 255 to 916 liters for hybrids, while its dimensions differ slightly. The Pro is 2 mm shorter at 4,470 mm, 84 mm wider at 1,898 mm, and 6 mm taller at 1,625 mm, maintaining a consistent 2,700 mm wheelbase. The Jolion Pro lineup comprises 5 variants across 3 trim levels, offering a choice between a hybrid powertrain with GWM's dedicated hybrid transmission, or DHT, and a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. The latter produces 105 kilowatts and 210 newton meters in the premium, super luxury, and ultra luxury models, increasing to 130 kilowatts and 270 newton meters in the ultra luxury S variant. The HEV variant, also ultra luxury, features a combined output of 140 kilowatts and 370 newton meters, incorporating an electric motor and battery pack. Specifications vary across trim levels. The Premium includes 17-inch alloy wheels, fabric seats, 4 airbags, a 10.25-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4-speaker sound system, electric windows with one-touch function for the driver, and electric mirrors. Included with each Jolion City and Pro's price tag is a 5-year 100,000-kilometer warranty, as well as a 5-year 75,000-kilometer service plan. Jolion City 1.5T, $24,000. Jolion City 1.5T plus DCT, $25,700. Jolion City 1.5 Luxury DCT, $29,200. Jolion Pro 1.5T Premium DCT, $27,000. Jolion Pro 1.5T Super Luxury DCT, $29,400. Jolion Pro 1.5T Ultra Luxury DCT, $31,900. Jolion Pro 1.5T Ultra Luxury SDCT, $34,200. Jolion Pro HEV Ultra Luxury DHT, $35,700. Join our vibrant community and be in the know by subscribing to our channel for the latest news and captivating content. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay tuned to all the excitement unfolding. Don't miss out on becoming a part of our ever-growing family of informed and engaged.